morning, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on our second video, okay, second part of our review of the X22 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so this time, okay, we're going to check on its menus and the different features of the X22 Pro. The last video, it's all about the specs and the design. Okay, so this time we're going to check on its menus and features. So if you have some questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Again, we have here the box of the smartwatch. We have a charging cable here, it's a wireless charging, and we have the smartwatch with a black color, okay, and a brush finish, as you can see here. Okay, so 2.5D tempered glass here. Okay, we have the crown button here and a pill shaped button on the side bottom. Okay, so let's open the smartwatch. Already activated this, so let's check. Okay, so we have here the animated watch face. Okay, you can use the crown button here to cycle on the different watch faces of the smartwatch. Okay, so again here on the button, pill button here, just press it and it will show you the direct or the menus here, the bubble type menu. Okay, so we have here again the different menus here, or the different functions. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so let's try. We have here the calculator. Okay, going back, press this one. We have here the camera, remote camera. We have the message. Okay, so there's no message yet. We haven't connected it to the wearable or to the support app. We have the brightness control here, or brightness settings. Okay, you can adjust it if you want. You can set the dim or much brighter setup. We have, I think this one is a do not disturb mode. So do not disturb all day or do not disturb at this moment. So we have a function here. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, so this one we have, I think this is a timer or countdown timer. Okay, we also have, okay, we have a blood pressure monitoring. So let's check. Okay, so it is automatically activated once you select it. So let's see if we can get the result in just a few seconds or under a minute. Let's see. Okay, 76. Okay, so seems like it's working. For the accuracy, as we already stated here at smartwatchspecifications.com, you can use the result here as a reference only, okay, not to be trusted, and not as a basis for diagnosing your health. Okay, especially if you have a high blood pressure here. Okay, you have a problem with the blood pressure. You have the breathing guide. Okay, going back. So this one, what is this? So we have the data here for the day. So it has an automatic activity tracking. This one. So we have the MET or the MET for your activity. We have the music control. Okay, what else? We have remote camera control. Then this one is for the screen off time, so let's increase it. Again, let's go back. Screen off time. Okay, screen off time 15 seconds. Okay, what else? Okay, how about the heart rate? So let's check. Waiting. Okay, so we have the beats per minute here. Okay, let's check. We have a Bluetooth call here if it's connected to your support app. We have the volume here, the sound, the vibration. You can activate it or not. It's up to you. Okay, let's increase the sound here. Okay, we have the sleep function here, automatic sleep monitoring. We also have the sleep SOS. Okay, it needs to be connected to your smartphone. Okay, we have SpO2. Okay, blood oxygen monitoring. As you can see, we also already have the heart rate. We also have the blood pressure, and now we have the blood oxygen monitoring here. Okay, usually it ranges from 98 to 99. Okay, so we have here 94. Then let's check this one. I think we have the sports tracking here. Okay, so we have the indoor running, indoor cycling, sit up, okay, push up, and free movement. For the indoor running, it might monitor the steps here, calories, and beats per minute. Okay, while for the sit up, we have the calorie burned and the beats per minute. Okay, the time. Let's go back. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, we have so this is the blood pressure. We're done with it. Okay, we have the weather. Okay, so just like the music control and the remote control. Okay, a remote control for photos, you have to connect it first to your smartphone, to the support app. So this one is the information about your smartwatch. Do we have the QR code? I think we have here, this one. Okay, so this is our QR code for the support app, and our support app is the Wear Fit Pro app. Okay, on our next video, we're going to show you on how to install the Wear Fit Pro app in the Android smartphone. Okay, what else? Okay, so let's check settings. So we have the dimming settings here, the screen off time, raise your wrist, okay, to activate the screen, do not disturb mode, sound and vibration, language settings. Okay, you can change it to other languages also here, so it supports English, French, okay, Spanish, Portuguese, okay, and other languages. Okay, you have to connect mobile phone. I think this is for the QR code. You can also lock the screen of your smartwatch with a password here. And we have reboot, restore factory settings, and the shutdown. Okay, so that's it. So these are the menus for and functions, different functions for the smartwatch. Okay, this is your X22 Pro smartwatch. So if you are interested in checking on the menus, okay, and the different features included in the support app or in the smartwatch X22 Pro, okay, so now you already know. Okay, so that's it for the wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so this is smartwatch specifications. Goodbye.